heat, yeah. If you want to eat some food now.
Welcome back, wonderful people. Listen, it's Mother's Day on Sunday. I'm getting ready to season up some oxtail. It's been a minute since I cooked some oxtail. Oxtail is so expensive. I think this is 4 pounds or maybe 5 pounds. $61. It's crazy, guys. But we love it. So here we go. All right. So ever since I came home this evening, I had it cooking in some vinegar, and I washed it a couple of times already. Most of the blood came out. So, you know, vinegar and water, cold water, not hot water. Okay, oops, and we have some swimming oxtails. Now, I don't like how they're doing oxtails nowadays, because look, this is how big this one is, but it's all right, though. It'll be okay. So the good thing about it, I just cleaned my sink so I can pick it back up again, right? Okay, all right, back to where we were. Let's dump all the water. No more runaway oxtails. Dump it in a bigger pot. Ready? So I'm gonna go in with my dry seasoning right now. White pepper. Paprika. And I guess I cook with like old people. I don't measure anything. Just put until I feel like stopping. Which doesn't help you guys, right? Garlic. Onion powder. Putting some salt. There is something I'm gonna try. I've never used it before, but I'm gonna give it a shot. Okay. So I have some real garlic here. Got a Scotch bonnet pepper, and I got a piece of onions. I'm gonna dice this up, and I'm gonna put it in. I like to smash my garlic. I think I've seen it where they say it's it releases whatever it needs to release, so it can be the best. So I take it at what they say, since they are the professionals. And guys, remember, if it's your first time logging on, hit a subscribe, like, drop a comment here and there. Okay. Okay, that's the onion, the garlic, and the pepper. No, that's not the onion. Here goes the onion. So I'm just doing a rough chop. And now I'm gonna put some brown in. Guys, you don't want to put a lot of brown in it because it can get too dark and people will laugh at you, okay? So better you put too little than too much, okay? Alrighty. I'm the bougie cook. I am not getting my fingers dirty tonight, even though I may have some pepper on my hand. Let's hope I don't touch my eyes. I am doing a light seasoning on here because I'm gonna try something new. I was in the store today and I saw it and I just said, let me give it a shot. So, ladies and gentlemen, have you ever seen this product? Jamaican oxtail seasoning. I'm gonna give it a shot. I don't know what it tastes like, But we shall see. If it don't taste good, I wasted $60. But as a good cook that I am, I'm willing to try it. Let's see if we can get a shot of me trying it. Hey everybody. It's sweet. Has a sweet taste to it. Not salty. I hate sweet when it comes to my cooking, so I won't put it in there. So, seeing that we're not going with it, I'm gonna just season it the regular way. So I'm putting more of everything in it now because I tasted that and I don't like it.
More salt.
No more pepper. And as the good Jamaican person I am, you know I gotta put my all-time favorite. Oh yeah, that's my go-to. Jerk in everything. I am Jamaican. I have to put jerk in everything. Give it a whirl. Make it look like that. And tell me what's the next thing I'm gonna do, guys. Type it in the comment section. What's the last thing I'm gonna do before I put this in the fridge? You guessed it right. Gotta taste it. What does it need? I say it needs a little bit more salt. All right, I'm gonna give that a whirl, and then that will be it until I cook on Sunday. Y'all join me, okay? Remember to like, share, subscribe. Come back and see the rest. We love you. Peace.